Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make spicy momo sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 dried red chilies for that authentic kick, and 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes to create a rich, flavorful base. Don't forget 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger, which are crucial for depth. These simple items are the foundation of our delicious sauce. Now, let's get cooking. Start by boiling your dried red chilies and tomatoes together for about 10 minutes, or until they become wonderfully soft. Once cooled, carefully peel the skin from the tomatoes and remove the stems from the chilies. Then, combine these with your garlic and ginger in a blender. Process everything until you achieve a perfectly smooth, vibrant paste, ready for the next step. Next, it's time to bring out those amazing flavors. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat, then add your blended paste. Stir it well, then season with 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. Let the sauce simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken to perfection. Your incredible spicy momo sauce is now ready. For a final touch, you can garnish it with some fresh cilantro, which adds a lovely burst of freshness. Serve this delicious sauce warm alongside your favorite momos and prepare for an explosion of flavor. It's truly the only way to enjoy them. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.